Porch Nurseries. They have the Dial-A-Daughter Concierge seal of approval, 100%. Mwah. Beautiful. You can immediately see the incredible display that they have here. The care, the time, the knowledge that they have is so superior. Everything they do here is fantastic. It's a seasonal place and clearly one of the best I've ever been to. So I'm happy to share with you today. Look at this. It is so amazing here. The whole entire knowledge base here is phenomenal. Look at this, and then you can go aisle by aisle by aisle and just pick whatever tree that you want, and they have such a variety. Look at the selection that they have here. I just love it. Anyway, we have to think about when we spend our money that maybe buying trees is the way to go. And you know why I say that? Because trees are the answer. All right, folks, pass on the gift of gardening. Amazing. And gardening, planting, having greenery, nature around you is certainly a high quality of life for you. Touching the soil, being out in Mother Nature, the sun, water, the beauty, the senses, everything. This is what this place brings for me and how I want my house to look like. So, yay! Make it a priority. Gardening, everybody. Mwah. Glorious.